Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make elephants. Draw the face. Make the gap for the trunk. Then the eyes. Then the trunk. And the mouth. And the lines. Mouth on another side. Now the ears. Then the body. Then the arms. Then the lungs and the feet. And another feet. And the eyelashes. You can also make a bow. And also make a flower. Let's color the ears pink. Draw the ears pink from inside. Make sure you subscribe my channel every day. Color the eyes blue. Don't forget to like. Color the skin gray. Color the face. Color the body and the ears. First the body. Color the mouth pink. Now the bowl purple. Elephant lives in forest. And this is the pond. This is the flowers. And this is going to be the background. After coloring the pond, we're going to color the forest. Color grass green. Let's color flowers. Color the flower purple. It is finished. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.